India successfully carried out maiden flight test of a long-range land attack cruise missile from an integrated test range of coast of Odisha. The missile followed the desired path using waypoint navigation and demonstrated its capability to perform various maneuvers while flying at various altitudes and speeds. Turkey Defense Minister has officially announced that Germany has authorized the sale of 40 Eurofighter Typhoon fighter jets to Turkey. The Eurofighter will not only advance Turkey's military readiness but also strengthen its diplomatic standing, providing it with increased leverage both regionally and within NATO. Turkey's leading drone manufacturer Baykar has announced a successful test of its Akinci unmanned combat aerial vehicle. The Akinci UCAV launched two IA-230 ballistic supersonic missiles, striking a target 155 kilometers away with pinpoint accuracy. China has made a significant entry into the global light tank military market with its VT8 light tank unveiling at AirShow China 2024. The VT8 light tank highlights its 105mm main gun and advanced targeting systems designed for export markets.